Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're going to be going into deals at Lowe's, more specifically over the Kobalt lineup of their power tools and some of their hand tools. Now, I'm going to have various different clips in here. Hopefully I didn't double up on anything. I went 2 times because the first time I went, they were still unloading some stuff and I wasn't about to stand around and wait for that. So I went back 2 days in a row and found some pretty good deals. So I'm gonna share those with you, give you my thoughts, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Also, if you haven't checked out my video on the Kobalt drill that I picked up for $25, go ahead and check that out. I will also have a video released soon testing this against my DeWalt drill that I own. So stay tuned for those videos, and I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of any deals you might have picked up these or this holiday season. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting subscribe. Let's get into this. Okay, so first up we have this EVA Foam Tool Kit. Pretty nice setup. I mean, it is a little bit spendy, $300, but it's 300 pieces, and it's a very nice variety of sockets, wrenches, extensions, and ratchets. Moving on, we see a $15 30-piece 1/4-inch drive 6 and 12-point socket set with a 90-tooth ratchet. Next up, we see a $250 set. This is the 24 volt. All of this is going to be 24 volt. It's the XTR, which is their top of the line stuff. It's a hammer drill with an impact driver and an LED light. Usually I don't really care for these lights just because they're gimmicky and cheap, but this one is actually LED and seems to be a little bit more versatile than some of the other ones available. And this does come with 2 batteries and a charger, so a pretty nice set for $250. Next up, we're looking at a $200 24 volt brushless 4-tool kit. It includes a reciprocating saw, impact driver, drill, and light. This is not their XTR set, but still a decent deal and pretty decent tools. I just picked up this Kobalt drill, had it for about a month, and I'm enjoying it. But besides yard tools, that's really the only power tools I have from them. This will include 1 4-amp-hour battery, so a large battery, and a charger. Next up is a $400 kit. This is actually a really nice kit. It's the XTR, so top of the line. It's a 5-tool kit. It includes the reciprocating saw, the drill, impact driver, light, circular saw, 2 batteries, a charger, and this nice box. So that is a nice little addition to it. Overall, a very good deal in my opinion. Here are a couple of the toolboxes or tool sets from Kobalt. First being $100, and that is the 227-piece set. And then they have the 319-piece set. Here it is $103. In another location in the store it was $70-something. So just keep in mind that this is anywhere from $70 to $103, which is a really good deal if you ask me. If you're looking for something to keep in your vehicle or something really easy to have in the shop or garage, I think these are nice little kits and keeps everything organized very nicely. Here we're gonna see the 1/4-inch die grinder. It's brushless. It's the tool only for $100, still a good deal. It is a little bit bulky just because it holds that 24 volt battery. Same thing with the 3/8 drive cordless ratchet, $100, brushless, variable speed. Then they have the $100 3/8 drive right angle impact with variable speed. It's brushless, good for up to 180 foot-pounds, and all of these are tool only. Next up, we have the $100 24 volt brushless angle grinder. Then you have a $150 drill and impact driver set. You got a couple of standalone impact drivers and drills for that $100 price range. $200 for the 1/2-inch drive high torque impact. The high torque impact is gonna be the standard brushless, and that's gonna be good for 650 foot-pounds. You saw it briefly in the corner. The one in the way back, that is the $200 one. That is the XTR, which is a 1/2-inch impact, good for 1,200 foot-pounds, so almost double their standard 1/2-inch drive impact. And that includes a battery and a charger, and then that impact also has a front boot, rubber boot on it, which is nice. So the XTR is definitely the best deal out of the 2. Next up, we are looking at this $15 35-piece 1/4-inch bit set with a ratchet. It's got an end for 1/4 inch sockets and then an end for all of your bits. Next up, we are looking at a $25 30-piece combo wrench set. This is going to include your standard length combination wrenches and some stubby wrenches. It's not going to be complete. It will be missing a few sizes, but for $25, that's still a pretty decent deal. Then after that, we have the $25 65-piece socket set with bits and a driver. So you get some sockets, bits, extensions, and a bit screwdriver. So a nice little combination of tools here for $25. Next up, we see a bit set for $18. This one does include drill bits and some nice accessories, and it's a 50-piece. Then you see the 7-piece bit sockets. It states it's $20. It's actually on sale for $10 right now, so that is a really good deal. Next up is $17 for a drill bit set. They do have the hex shank on the bottom, which is nice. It's a 21-piece. Then you got the $13 LED lights. That's a nice touch. It also includes batteries. Then you have this 65-piece bit set, and then we have the 20-piece ratcheting wrench set. This is a 92 mechanism, and it's $50. Okay, YouTubers, so that's it as far as the Kobalt deals. They did have a lot of other deals. They just didn't seem that great of a deal, so it's just kind of standard pricing. Even these are only a couple dollars off some items, but some of them are actually really good deals, especially a lot of the tool combo kits and stuff like that. The bit sets are usually a good deal to pick up, and then those wrench sets are a really nice price as well. So a good variety of tools for this holiday season. If you want to catch any deals, Kobalt does have quite a few to offer. So if you want, go ahead and check those out. I'll have some tools linked down in the description under tools I suggest. And if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section if you've gotten any deals so far this year. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.